Good morning, everybody. We're just a short jaunt down the road from Magdalena at the Very Large Array, the VLA. This pattern's a little something in my own professional career, as I was a radar technician and then moved into radar processing. So the understanding of why we did this to me is a little clearer than it is to other folks. Big power was not the way, it was receiver sensitivity, broaden the bandwidth, and you should be able to detect all kinds of other things. Glenn has also had a career in aviation, has done a little deeper research on the Yansky facility here. So Glenn, what else can you fill me in on?
Well, the VLA, the Very Large Array, is probably one of the largest array telescope systems in the world. There are 27 individual antennae with the dish having an 82 feet width and 92 feet tall. They weigh a little over 200 tons. And they're located on a Y railroad track system that allows them to be moved individually by the hind train, specially designed to lift these antennae and move them into different configurations. And the reason they move them into configurations is very much like photography. You want to change the aperture, so you change the distance of each of the antennae. The brains of the system, the correlator, actually take all of the input from the individual antenna and then make very high definition images based on the full frequency spectrum, unlike the optical observatories where just the human eye can see.
Any idea what they're looking for here? I mean, are we waiting to be contacted by, we were in Roswell yesterday.
That's a very good question, John. They've actually used, they continue to use the VLA to seek out gamma rays and black holes and different galaxies that you just can't see with an optical telescope. They have used this in 2014 to have a concerted effort over about a month or two period to ping, if you will, the far reaches of the universe to see and listen to see if there's could detect advanced civilizations through their radio frequency.
So they actually
broadcast.
transmitted, and now we're waiting for an echo.
And the movie Contact with Jodie Foster
yes.
and Matthew McConaughey kind of depicted that same situation. I don't believe they heard any responses. We're still listening. But the VLA has a promising future for helping us understand the full universe.
We highly recommend you getting out and seeing this. It is quite impressive.
Catty cat. That means that you go somewhere, just do it.